The controversy and uncertainty over Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's World Culture Festival is growing. The National Green Tribunal, the country's environment court, was told that there were no police or fire permissions yet for the mega event to be held on the banks of the Yamuna in just 3 days.
The eco-sensitive floodplains of Yamuna, now converted into a cultural village with rampant construction. Over 1,000 acres of Yamuna's floodplains with active flora and fauna, now converted to a temporary cultural village, preparing to host 3.5 million people. A huge 7-acre stage has been built where leaders from across 1,500 countries and over 3,500 artists are expected to perform. All this to celebrate the 35th Foundation Day of Art of Living. But with barely 3 days to go for the event, it's still not clear how permission was granted. The Delhi government today told the National Green Tribunal that the event has still not got permission from the police and the fire department. Art of Living claims that it has more than 20 approvals for the event.
स्थान को हम इतना सुंदर बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क बना के छोड़ेंगे तो हम चाहते हैं जमुना साफ हो। मैं आपसे फिर से कहूंगा, हमने एक पेड़ भी नहीं काटा हुआ।
The Green Court, however, is in no mood for excuses. It questioned the Environment Ministry about who cleared the event. The court said, if someone has to alter the floodplains, don't you think it requires your clearance? To protect the river is your prime responsibility. What steps did you take to prevent the damage? They then moved on to the Delhi Development Authority and asked, do you then accept the panel report that the floodplain was damaged? And how can you say there was no debris when they claim to have removed it? Where did the debris come from? But the Delhi Development Authority simply said, heavens will not fall, we are at the threshold of the ceremony. And the problems don't end there. While questions are being raised about roping in army to build these 2 pontoon bridges for the event, the Delhi government told the National Green Tribunal no permission had been given for more than 5 pontoons which have come up. While the organizers maintain that no added construction has been done on the ground, controversial pontoon bridges and at least 5 mobile towers like these have been erected. In addition, massive temporary construction is being carried out on the floodplains, including dirt tracks from the road to the menu. Also, at least a dozen parking lots are now coming up. NDTV also accessed the original blueprint of the area, which is now being questioned by the National Green Tribunal.
इस तरह का मेगा इवेंट आप बनाएंगे और उसके अंदर आपको ये नहीं पता कि लेआउट क्या है। अब उनके जो वर्कर्स हैं वो कह रहे हैं जी 35 नहीं है, एक कह रहा है, डीडीए कह रहा है मैक्सिमम 5 लाख। आज भी सच्चाई नहीं बोली जा रही है।
With now barely 2 days to go before the inauguration of the World Culture Festival, 2 important permissions have still to be obtained, that from the police and the fire services. While the Art of Living is hopeful that by tomorrow they should be able to get fire clearance, the NGT still has to deliver its judgment whether this festival should go forward or not. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.